This is the report from the workshop Scaling Up and Industrial Transition to Bioeconomy. It was organized by Yoshi Fujishima for the International Advisory Committee and 4 experts from the European 3BI Intercluster, from CLIB in Germany, BioVale from the UK, IAR from France, and Circular Biobased Delta from the Netherlands. We had the aim to learn from industry stakeholders how they tackle the common challenges of scaling up, getting products into the market, and financing the investments necessary. Our guiding questions centered around how can the global circular bioeconomy become a reality? We had 7 speakers give their inputs on these questions. We heard from large established companies like Braskem, Mitsubishi Chemical, and DuPont, with the patience and long-term vision to pursue R&D for a decade or longer to bring a bio-based product to the industrial scale and develop the market. SMEs like Lancetech, Afiren, Avantium, or Circa have raised large sums in public and private investment to upscale their processes, going from milestone to milestone. They use new feedstocks such as CO2, biomass, or agricultural side streams to produce bio-based products and intermediates which outperform conventional molecules and are more sustainable. Among the recurring themes were sustainability and circularity, innovation, having the long-term vision, and the partnerships to succeed. We then split into 2 breakout sessions.
Yes, so one of the success factors typically bringing new products to the market is getting to a commercial scale, getting sufficient funding, and yes, also for new products, if they show additional functionality and performance, there is definitely a clean premium to be get. Pool for brand owners definitely helps. Also regulations and from different governments can help you accelerating bringing new products to the market.
Yes, and for the parallelization of financing and investments, the 3 panelists agree that bio-based innovation is still very challenging, and especially breakthrough innovation. So how to overcome this challenge? By adopting a 3-fold strategy. First, think long term. Development of scaling up and industrialization of bio-based innovation takes time. It's at least 15 years. 2, foster long-term cooperation within the value chain, and especially with the feedstock supplier. And 3, foster cooperation between large company and startup. This is a heavy trend currently in the bioeconomy. And the strategy is to develop long-term industrial cooperation between startup and large company. In this perspective, develop a public-private partnership like BBI in Europe and hopefully Circular Biobased Europe in the near future will definitely help to speed up and de-risk bio-based innovation towards success.
The outcomes of our workshop, scaling up as we transition to a bioeconomy. The workshop underscored the need for partnerships, collaboration, boldness, and a real strength of ambition as we de-risk, embrace new business models, include all of the value chain actors, and ideas such as plants that are designed to leverage feedstocks and flexibility. Regulations and policy, they need to be supportive, not to hinder. Indeed, the right frameworks can propel success, create the need for a green premium to kickstart markets. And an old message, but one that's absolutely key. Novel bioproducts, they must deliver the sweet spot, price, sustainability, performance. And finally, a shout out to the sheer strength of startups, their vision, their drive, their new technologies. Today, a key success model is to see these entrepreneurs partner with industry to scale up. It remains for us to say as organisers, thank you to every single one of our speakers and all of the delegates.